Hi, I'm Bailey, Promotions Assistant at the Swinomish Casino and Lodge, and I'm your host today for this episode of SwinTV. This week was super exciting. Manchu WOK opened up earlier this week. We have our executive chef, Corey O'Neill, here to share how it went. Corey, can you share a bit about the opening?
Hi, I'm Corey, executive chef here at the Swinomish Casino and Lodge, and I'm here to tell you about our awesome food court. We had a great opening on this last Wednesday with Manchu WOK. That's our newest addition, adding into the food court along with our fat burger. We had a great day, busy day. We had a line waiting for us when we opened, and the staff did fantastic. So stop by, try our new addition to the food court, and let us know what you think.
Thanks, Corey. The Manchu WOK opening sounded like it was a lot of fun. 2018 is kicking off, which means it's time for Swinnomish Super Sunday Football. Join us in the Wa Walton Event Center February 4th for the ultimate viewing experience. Fans won't miss any of the excitement with big screens surrounding you from every angle. Entry also includes buffet, drink specials, and chances to win prizes up to $500 in value. Guests can also participate in a pick-a-door board with chances to win even more. Swinomish Super Sunday is 18 and older, and tickets cost $15. Tickets always sell out, so buy yours today at the Lodge or online. Last, we're heading to Greg with a weekly construction update.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you with another construction update here from Swinomish Casino and Lodge. In the last few days, we've opened up Manchu WOK. We have opened up Keno, which is directly behind me. We have moved all of our slots from our existing previous gaming floor over into the new area. So come visit the site. The property is full. The area is full of games. Our gaming pit has been moved here as well. So we've got table games, we've got slot machines, we've got Keno, and we've got our cage, all in their new homes here for about the next 2 months while we finish the old casino area. Once we get that done, within about the next 60 days, we'll go ahead and repopulate that area with our table games, moved back to where they were originally located in a new layout, and then we'll have our slots opened up so you guys will be comfortable here while you're playing your games. Our new cash cage is unbelievably nice. Our cash cage personnel worked their tails off. We've all been here actually since 1 o'clock tonight, or this morning, Thursday morning, and it's been a big workload here for everybody. Our electronic gaming folks have been working their rear ends off here, getting machines moved, and actually in the last week or so we've moved in excess of 450 slot machines. Also our IT staff, our surveillance staff, our security staff. I don't think there's one team member here that hasn't put effort into this last couple weeks here. So good job, Team Swinomish, and get yourselves in here and check out all of our new dates here. We'd love to see you. Have a great week.
That's it for this episode of SwinTV. We'll see you next Friday.